Next one. Now, so te panditaha katham tattvam pashyanti. All those great people, how do they see this tattvam realization? Because everywhere there is knowledge, they awaken to that knowledge. How do they see that? The very beautiful sloka, very popular. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane kavihastini shuni chaiva swapakecha pandita samadarshinaha. Now Bhagavan says that once, what is the signs of realization? Or what are the signs of realization? This is the question. Now see, even forget about realization, that is too high. Even the wisdom, when it is growing in us, what are the signs of that wisdom? I'll give you 2-3 things. You can check. Towards any being, known or unknown, towards any being, meaning not a human being, any being, known or unknown, or with known previous history of clash or fighting with that individual, known history, इनसे लड़ाई बहुत हो गया इससे पहले, बहुत लड़ाई की इनसे, पहले we fought a lot. Anybody, anyone, irrespective of the past, towards any being, whatever is the condition of the being, physical, mental qualities, guna, whatever it is, ugly to look, anything, anyone, in any condition, 2 things should happen. First stage is you are not uncomfortable in the presence of any being, number 1. And next stage is what? Uncomfortable is replaced with compassion. And afterward the compassion is replaced with love. And that love, it wells up in your bosom so much so that you will literally feel waves of love, high tides of love rising in your heart, and it is as though creating a deluge and drowning everybody in the universe in the compassion, love, or your embrace of love. And many seekers could not contain those waves. I am not talking theory. It's not theory. Like a mother, how she had love overpowers towards the child. Morning she goes to duty, whole day she is in the office, and evening the small child, 1 year, 2 year, whatever it is. And mother's bosom, how it wells up after seeing the child. Sri Bhagavat, how Yashoda Maya used to feel looking at Krishna. Why Yashoda? Everybody else. So that love overpowers. And it's a tremendous, terrible means it's a beautiful feeling. And you feel that you are lost control and everybody is yours. What I am talking is an experience of all those people who reach that state. Like Tulsidas ji was singing, not Tulsidas, sorry, Tukaram ji was singing Vitthala, 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 he was singing, and through a garden he was going and all the trees are there, all the birds, because of his singing, they flew away. He stood there, for a moment he felt that when I am singing with Harinam, Vitthala, Vitthala, and if I am not one with Vitthala, then what is the use? Why? Because these birds have felt uncomfortable, when they became uncomfortable in my presence, out of fear they went away. That means I have not yet become one with Vitthala, the pure consciousness. He stood there and closed his eyes and started crying Vittala, Vittala, Vittala. This Bhedabhav still is, therefore the birds have gone away. And all those birds which flew away, it is said it came back and started playing on all over his body. Tukaram, Sant Tukaram. So one is that in this entire essence of sloka I am talking, whatever is the condition, nothing, no, there is no discrimination at all. So first one is, what is that? No uncomfortable feeling. Second one is compassion. Third one is love. Compassion means jiva bhava. If you see other as a jiva like you, compassion. If you see other person as your own self, love. That is pure love. And the whole universe is flooded with that. When this feeling comes, understand that slowly you are going towards the direction. Acceptance. Anybody, anyone, you see only the conditioned soul, confused by Prakriti, suffering, and feel sympathy. No religion, caste, creed, being, nothing, anybody. When you feel that, what gross examples I'll give you. You may take in summer, you take a highway auto. Suppose you are going somewhere from here, Chetpet to something, Mambalam. You are going there, for example. You are going, and en route you found a sugarcane juice. So you got down, you drink sugarcane, you don't give to driver. And he's sweating, and he's wiping. Then you'll ask, over? Please sit down. And you sit. Where are you going? Gita Jnana Yajna. Heartless. If I ask you, why don't you give him? You give a logic to it. Everybody should earn their own bread. I would say go to hell. These practical demonstrations, if you don't feel sensitive, remember, sensitivity is a sign of evolution. Insensitivity is ignorance. Whatever you study, knowledge, everything, the sensitivity heart is not there. Forgiveness. Yudhishthira says in Mahabharata, this Kshama Bhava, that alone I accepted in my life. I cannot have Ajata Shakti. Now the sloka is only details. Vidya Sampanne Brahmane. One who is Brahmana with Vidya and Vinaya, with knowledge and humility. Because knowledge without humility is of no use. No use. So this Brahmana wise man with Vidya Vinaya, Suddha Sattva is there in him. And also Gavi, cow, Rajoguna. Bhagavan Shankar, Rajoguna, there is guy in the cow. And Hastini, Hati in Tamoguna Pradhana. Bhagavan Shankaracharya, Shunichaiva, and a dog eater, Swapakecha. Panditaha Samadarshina. Who is the Pandita? Samadarshi. Meaning what? They don't see the outer color and guna and personality. Behind that, there is only pure consciousness, eternal, which is there and functioning through that. The very fact that the cloud is recognized only because of the sun. The sun is not there behind the cloud, even cloud is not recognized. So behind Sattva Rajoguna, the pure consciousness is there. Because of that alone, I am able to see this is Guna, this is Rajoguna, this is Sattva Guna in him, it is Tamo Guna, he is a dog eater, he is a dog. The consciousness is same. So Samadarshi, Samabhava. This you have to practice it. For this, sadhana only is very simple. Live with a little bit of sensitivity towards people around you. Start living it. Don't be too rude and crude. Dry logic, please don't use. Especially those of us, those who know a lot of knowledge, we study. There's a lot, so many chances are there, and we become dry in thinking. And heartless we become. Knowledge should not make us heartless. And we become heartless. Advaita Jnanam should make us really snigdhata in Sanskrit, some kind of very oily, very leggy, very soft, mrudu. But more Jnanam I read, more dry I become, more arrogant I become, more logical I become in the simple thing, unnecessary reasoning, logic, not required, that's all wrong. I have seen so many people. And therefore, Vedanta, for an unqualified student, if he listens to all these things, it destroys more. Why can't it be very simple? Knowledge. Dangerous. Gurudev says, head is bloated so much that heart is shrunken in it. Remember this. I don't want to say, but then in some parts of our country, more intellects is shy, more intellect. Some part of our country, more devotion. And because I'm there, I worked in Chennai also, I worked in North also, so many places I'm seeing very clear-cut differences in the mentality of the people. One or two books we read, we feel that we are great incarnated souls. Especially sent by Lord to confuse others. It can be simple. The very face itself indicates that, the arrogance, superiority complex, I know more than you, what are you, very dangerous. Please. This kind of knowledge kills us. So therefore, Vidya Vinayena Shobhate. So Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane. Oh, such a wise man in Brahmana who is with Vidya and humility, both knowledge and humility. And also in all dog eater or hathi or gai, whatever it is, only one Paramatma, Samadarshi. So therefore, समभाव समदर्शी बनना चाहिए समभाव के साथ means what we should see everywhere there's only one reality. So many people are there, we don't respect elders, very rude talk we behave with elders in the house. Edunga enna hey what very bad. So there is no, that knowledge better not to have that. It's useless. It's killing us. Therefore, no. One question is raised actually in Bharti and all that. So one question. Then everywhere, how can you say that everything is equal when Shastra, Dharma Shastra speak about Achara, Sadachara, and all that. So Bhagavan Shankaracharya raises this because how can you say that not respecting those who are to be respected and respecting those who are not to be respected, both are sin, as per Gautama Smriti. So Bhagavan Shankaracharya quoted that in the Purvapakshi Rupena, that question was raised. So this is sloka is wrong? No, because they see the truth behind that. Not the guna, and only who is caught up in this anushtana, puja, ityadi, for them this sloka is meant, not for the wise man who has transcended all this. Therefore, ihai vatairjita sargah yesham samye sthitam manah nirdosham hi samam brahma tasmat brahmani Why do they see like that? Everywhere oneness, 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 because they have conquered here alone. So, Yesham Manaha Samye Stitam Manaha. Whose minds are harmonized. Samye Stitam, very balanced. Samye Stitam Manaha. Eva Taihi Yatas Sarkaha. Here alone they have conquered what? All this creation. Sarga means anything, thoughts and birth of anything. Creation. All this multiplicity, they have crossed it. Therefore, Nirdosham hi samam Brahma, Tasmat Brahma Nityesthitaha. And who is the Brahma? Nirdosham and Samam. Brahman is spotless and Samam, equal. Is everywhere, homogeneously present everywhere. That Brahman, they see the one behind the many. So they are not caught up. So essentially divine, potentially divine, every soul is. I practice this. I request you to practice this. There is no need to insult anyone. Through jati, niti, kula, kotra, through knowledge-wise, experience-wise, age-wise, nothing. Don't insult anyone. What can you just meditate and see? You will understand the whole universe is slowly. ये तमाशा है सब पूरा. एक बात कहूँ, भगवान को काम धंधा नहीं ऐसा बना के रखा है. He no other work, therefore he created all this and तमाशा बना के. It's all big drama, I tell you. I don't know. Therefore, because those who are caught up in that drama, may you help them get some, doesn't matter. But you yourself don't get dragged. You went to somebody to console and you started crying. And somebody has to go and console two people now. What a problem it is. So you don't get dragged into this world. Yet be with the world. Understand. Don't immediately teach Brahman. So therefore, Brahmani Sitaha. So they establish Brahman. Why? They see Nirdosham Brahma Samam, Nirdosham Brahma. They see, they pashchat. They see this behind all the multiplicity. Therefore, they have conquered here only all those things and Sarga, birth of everything. Meaning creation. Meaning so many thoughts are created, they have conquered everything. They see that one reality is there. The creation on that is only play. It's okay.